Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I will discuss about exercise 1.1 from the book of Mathematics 9th class according to new course of PTB. So student, in this lecture the question number 1, identify as rational or irrational number. So the first part is 2.353535 and so this is a rational number because this is a terminating decimal fraction. Terminating decimal fraction means there is finite number of digits in its decimal part. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 6 digits in decimal parts. So this is terminating decimal fraction and the final result is rational number. And similarly 0.6 bar. Bar means repeating numbers. 0.666 there is infinite numbers but repeat again and again. So this is called non-terminating and recurring decimal fraction. So this is a rational number. And next, third part 2.236067 and infinitely move. So this is non-terminating and there is no pattern in decimal parts, so this is non-recurring also. Finally, this number 2.236067 up to infinite, this is called irrational number. And next, square root 7. 7 is a prime number. So according to the rule of this one, the property, the square root, the radical of prime number is irrational. So this is irrational. And if you check or verify this number, then you can calculate square root 7 on calculator, and this is a non-recurring and non-terminating results. Hence the square root 7 is irrational number. E is exponential number 2.718 up to infinity. So same as third one, non-terminating and non-recurring. So this is irrational. Pi is student also similar to E. E and pi both are irrational number because both are non-terminating and non-recurring decimal fraction. Next, the 5 plus square root 11. This is also irrational number because according to the property, the square root of prime number, and 11 is a prime number. So this is a irrational. And 5 is rational, but the sum of rational and irrational number is finally irrational. So the result is irrational number. And next, so in the last part, because the 8 and 9 same as the previous question, and the last question 10th part is 2 minus square root 2 and 2 plus square root 2. So in both numbers, see the product of a two numbers and 2 minus square root 2, 2 plus square root 2, according to the law, the product of two numbers, irrational numbers, is a rational. And according to the property a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So apply 2 square minus square root 2 square. Square cancel with each other and result is 2 and square of 2 is 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Finally result is 2, which is a rational. So the given number 2 minus square root 2 and 2 plus square root 2. This is a single number and this is a rational. Okay, and these given two numbers also called conjugate irrational surds. If you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel for upcoming new lectures according to new course of PTB. Thank you for watching. Take care.